Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, we're back in the courtyard of Mr. Iberiberism himself again, the courtyard of Rochas Okorocha, the looter of Owerri and the new comedian of the Nigerian Senate. So guys, I bring you this warehouse where Rochas Okorocha's family allegedly kept looted properties uncovered by Imo government, and there's photos of this as well. So again, the headline: warehouse where Rochas Okorocha's family allegedly kept looted properties uncovered by Imo State government. So that's the headline now to the body of the story. A warehouse where Rochas Okorocha's family allegedly kept looted properties has been uncovered by Jasper Ndubuaku led Imo State Committee on the Recovery of Movable Assets. The warehouse located at Aba Road allegedly belongs to Nkechi, wife of former governor Rochas Okorocha, and it was discovered on Friday afternoon, July 26th, following a tip-off from an anonymous source. It was further learned that angry youths were stopped from setting the warehouse ablaze. This was after the EFCC confirmed that it had sealed off properties allegedly belonging to Rochas Okorocha, his wife, daughter, as well as associates, including son-in-law Uche Nwosu. So Uche Nwosu, who served as his chief of staff and even his PA. So now really it's the picture really that tells the story here. So look at all of these things that you're seeing on your screen. These are of course properties once belonging to the Imo State government, now belonging to Rochas Okorocha and his family, and there's no receipt to say that he bought this. Even chairs, they carted everything including chairs. Anything that wasn't nailed down, this guy stole effectively, is what we are now discovering. Even doors, they carried doors. They took doors off the wall and carried it. They even sink and bath tubs. They look at that. Look at the logo of the Imo State government, something that was also stolen. So this guy just stole everything that wasn't nailed down, because even the building, he was selling them off at knockdown prices. So a building that is worth $1 billion, he will sell it off at $1 million to his friend and his cronies. This guy just stripped that state completely bare, and this is what he has done. This guy now, he of course should not be in the Senate. He should rather be somewhere in Lagos where the Kirikiri is located, and he should spend the foreseeable there, and the EFCC should do a forensic investigation of his 2-term in office in Imo State and recover as much as they can, including interest on looted properties, and make sure that it is made good for the people of Imo State. I mean, the lack of humanity. Look at what this guy stole. I mean, this is just beyond belief. But of course, Rochas Okorocha is not alone. So multiply Rochas Okorocha by 36, and this is pretty much what repeats in every single state in Nigeria, and then add all the years from independence till date, and then look at these pictures again, and that is pretty much the story of our country, including chairs. This guy looted them, including doors. This guy just stole everything. So conversations in the comment section. The looting continues, not the struggle this time, but the looting. Looter continua. This is effectively what Rochas Okorocha is saying, that everything that is not nailed down, and even the one that is nailed down, will remove the nail and carry it. You know, I mean, look at that. If you don't laugh, you would cry. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Rochas Okorocha, the looter of Owerri, is the topic. But before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this level of stealing, because this is stealing. So come tell me what you are making of this level of stealing in Imo State and all over Nigeria, and what you have as an example in your state. So all those conversations in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.